Hello guys! Today I have 20 euro session, Joker, 10 in a row. I have ticket number 8 to 17. Tenyo numero 8 a 17. Okay, let's start. Vamos começar. Bom dia. Another day of fight. Mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. Okay? Outside Portugal. How to win on this ticket. We're looking for Joker symbol for win all and matching number. Okay, it's very simple. We're looking for 22, 17, 29, 31, 11, 28 in Portuguese números, 15, 14, 19, 17. Joker? No. 8. Go to ticket number 9. Joker? No. We're looking for 24, 26, 19, 23, 22, 25, 15, 18, 17, 21. Oh Lord. Okay. 8, 9, 10. Joker symbol? No. Looking for 28, 14. 31, 28. 13, 12, 26, 24, 17, 21. 5. Not bad, guys. 5. Okay, not bad in a 2 euro ticket. Okay, so I got 5. Ticket number 10. Where's the 11? Joker! I haven't found the Joker symbol. We're looking for 28, 12, 26, 17, 25, 11, 18, 27, 14, 15. No. 11. First 12. We're looking for 21, 29, 27, 19, 17, 26, 14, 25, 23, 31. How many losing tickets? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 losing tickets. Ticket number 12. Where is 13? 13. I have 5 more tickets to go. I forgot to scratch Joker. No. Joker is joking. Okay? Joker? No. We're looking for 26, 15. 15, 11, 13, 26, 2 wins. 25, 28, 15, 3 wins. 3 wins. Interesting. 15, 26, 15. Let's check. Oh Lord. Can be 10. The lowest I could get is 10. Not bad, guys. Or 50. 10 or 50. Wow, so it's a good win. 10 or 50. Please give me 0. Give me a 0. 4. Never have a chance to win big, guys. Okay, so this is a 10 euro win again. So I got win. This is 10. 10 and 5, so I got 15. So ticket number 10 and 13. 15 out of 20, guys, not bad. And I still have 5 tickets. 4. 13. Let's go to 14. I hope I can find the Joker symbol. I always find this. We're looking for 19, 23. Ticket number 14. 29, 12, 24, 11, 21, 18, 13, 22, no? 14. Ticket number 15. Come on, Joker, Joker. Ay, saco de dinero. Money bag. We're looking for 21, 15, 21 and 15. 22, 12, 31, 23. Difficult to get rich, guys. 25, 14, 13. No, 15 and 21. No. Ticket number 15. So far, I have only 2 winning tickets. Jesus. Out of 10 tickets. I just want to find Joker symbol, that's all. We're looking for 27, 15. A lot of 15 this time, guys. 14, 25, 29, 12, 22, 31, 13, 26. How about Joker? Come on, Joker. Cofre. Ah, Jesus. 2 wins out of 10 tickets. The last one. Last chance to get rich. We're looking for 15 otra vez. 26. And I have 11. 12. This one is 13 maybe. Hi, 15. Woohoo, winner. 29. 31. 22. 25. 26. 18. How about Joker? Come on, Joker. Joker. Oh, Lord. I haven't found the Joker symbol, guys. So I found 15. Let's hope this is a good win. Come on, ticket. Come on, die. B. €2, of course. Ay, Jesus. 15. €2. But not bad, guys. Not bad. I got 28, 14. Okay, so I haven't found the Joker symbol. But I got 10. 10 here. Okay, size 15, 15, 10. Mais 5. So 15. Got 10. Mais 5, 15. Mais plus 5, 15. Plus 2, 17. So, only €3 donation to Portugal Lottery. €3 donation, guys. It's not a big loss. Okay? Because sometimes I play and I don't win anything. Not sometimes, all the time, okay? If I say sometimes, I lie. If I say all the time, I don't lie. Okay, so today I got €17 back. Gané 17. Gaste 20. €3 doação para Santa Casa. €3 donation to Portugal Lottery. I haven't found this Joker symbol, guys. This Joker is always joking. Since I started my channel, I haven't found the Joker win all. Okay? Ano, Joker is not a win all. Si encontrar o símbolo Joker, yeah, it's a win all. 8 premium. Ganya todos os 8 premios. Okay, so it's a win all in short, but I haven't found. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.